Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're at Walgreens. We're at Walgreens today, and it's going to be magical. The sun is about to come in on me, and I was in a good spot for a little while here. But anyways, it's going to be great. It is going to be amazing, and we've got some promotions that will knock your socks off. So, last week, it showed on our apps that we were getting a promotion that says spend $60, get back $15 in Walgreens cash. I also saw that there was spend $45, get back $15 in Walgreens cash as well. And I thought, ooh, if you spend $60, you'll get $30. But then I also got a regular spend $25, get back $7 in Walgreens cash. Plus, last week we got a we got a tiered promotion, and everyone's is different. Mine is spend, the first one is spend 20, get back $3 in Walgreens cash for hair care products. And last week it just wasn't there for me. And I am very impatient. I am a very impatient person. I want to do the deals. I want to get great deals and all that stuff. But it just wasn't going to work. So anyways, I thought I'll bide my time and see what we can come up with the following week. And we've got some good hair care deals this week. We've got Nexus, we got Shea Moisture. So I'm really, really excited about those. But then with that Walgreens promotion, it was showing that people weren't getting Walgreens cash in the store. No. They were getting a big old register reward. So $15 register reward is huge to lower your out of pocket. It is absolutely huge to lower your out of pocket. And you can use it on another account instead of, they're not account specific. But then I saw that there was also spend 30, get back 10. Then I also saw there was spend 30, get back a $10 register reward, and I thought they were separate promotions, but they're not. They're either or. Now, if you want to do it online, you can. You'll get back $15 in Walgreens cash if you spend $45, and that might be a better solution for you because the register reward isn't going to last very long when it prints out. They never do. So, and like when we get a regular one, it's 2 weeks, but these ones usually last only a few days. So if you do the Walgreens cash, they'll last long. It'll just be Walgreens cash and it'll stay on your account. So anyways, we're going to do some big old stacking here. And I might be able to get enough to get another P&G gift card. So that would make the deals even better. I mean, it's just one of those weeks where you can do this. So if you can go earlier in the week, go earlier in the week, because sometimes these rewards get funky in the middle of the week. So yes, absolutely. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So we're going to start off with one transaction, and I'm grabbing some laundry products, but I am grabbing the ones that are bigger and they don't have register rewards back. I wish they did, but they don't. So we're going to start off by grabbing the Tide Pods. They're the XL, but they're like a 32 count. They're on sale for $15.99. And then I am going to grab a liquid. I think it is 105 ounces, and it is also on sale for $15.99. These both have $3 digital coupons, and they're just going to be part of the P&G deal that we're doing. Then I'm going to grab 2 of these $9 Crest. They are buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. The 2 of them will equal out to $18. But we have 2 different $5 digital coupons that we can use. That's going to make our total $9. We'll get back a $3 register reward, but then we will get back $2 for each one of them on Ibotta. So it's going to make these both just $1. But then they're going to count for the P&G promotion. So next I'm grabbing something that I want. I don't need it, but I want it. And it's for this L'Oreal Midnight Cream. It's $34.99. We have a $4 IBC coupon, and I got a $10 digital coupon for it this morning. So then that's going to take off $14, so it'll be $19.99. Now this is going to take me pretty far past the spend $60 mark, but with my IVC coupon, I need to spend $64. I wouldn't get this if I didn't have such high value coupons for them, and it's still going to end up being a pretty good deal, I promise you. So my total for everything is $84.97. I know, but I promise that's going to be good. So then I have the $4 IVC coupon. I want to take that off first, just so I know that I'm still at $60. I have then a $10 digital coupon for the L'Oreal. I have two $5 digitals for the Crest, and I have $6 in digitals for the Tide. That'll make my total $54.97. I won't pay that though. I'll be using register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket. But then we will get back a $15 register reward for the P&G deal, and we'll get back $15 for spending $60 in Walgreens cash. We'll also get back a $3 register reward for the Crest. We're also going to submit our receipt over to Ibotta, and we'll get back $4 there, making everything just $17.97. So the next transaction I did just by itself, and that is the Shea Moisture. Their spend $20, get back $10 in register rewards. And I am going to grab this kids detangler here, and then I grabbed a conditioner, and that's going to equal out to $22. We have a $3 digital coupon, and that is it, which isn't the best, but we'll make it work. So then that'll make our total $19. I'll get back a $10 register reward. I'll also get back $3 in Walgreens cash because I have that tiered promotion that I got in my email where I spend $20, I get $3 in Walgreens cash, and then that will activate the next one, which will be spend $30, get back $7 in Walgreens cash in bar soap and body wash. And then I use the $10 register reward from this transaction to lower the transaction I just showed you. So here's the receipt for my transaction with the Tide, the Crest, and the L'Oreal. As you can see, there is the IVC coupon for the L'Oreal, and then the top 3 coupons in the list of coupons are my register rewards. That $10 is from the Nexus and Shea Moisture deal. Then you have $5 and $4 are old register rewards from last week. And then the E coupons are the $10 for the L'Oreal, the two $5 for the Crest, and the two $3 digitals for the Tide. And that made my total $35.97. Now I just used not register rewards. I used Ibotta money and things like that from rebates to pay for that. I did not use Walgreens cash to pay. I might have been able to use a little bit, but I didn't configure that, and I didn't have any on this account anyways, but I probably could have, but I wasn't even really thinking about that. So here is the $15 back in Walgreens cash. I got $15.80 back, and that was for spending $60. And there is the $3 register reward for the Crest. And then this is the $15 one. Let's see if I can get in there and show you where it's at. $15 back on my next purchase. And I am going to use this today on another transaction. So anyways, my total after the register rewards that I used was $54.97. I got back $15.80 in Walgreens cash. I got back $15 in this register reward and this $3 register reward. Also got back $4 on Ibotta, making everything that I got $17.17. Now I am very close, and I only have a few days left, but I'm very close to getting another $15 Visa card from the P&G website, and that I have until this coming Friday to meet that. So $15 back there will be in the next transaction that I do, and I am very happy, very, very happy with all that. So I'm going to do another transaction. I'm going to be using another account, and I'll do the spend 60, get back 15 again, but then I'm going to do spend 30, get back a $10 register reward for the P&G, so I can use my $15 register reward from the first transaction. So this is actually a pretty good deal. Actually, it's a very good deal for the Olay Body Scrub. It's on sale for $10, and it is spend 20, get back $5 in register rewards. And so these equal, of course, out to $20. And we got a 7 off 2 digital coupon for these this morning. Plus we have a $2 IVC coupon that will come off each one. So they're $20, but then we have that $7 digital and that $2 IVC coupon. So that will make our total $9. But then we'll get back a $5 register reward. And then I also have over on Fetch Rewards where I spend $19. I get back $5.20. So these are going to be free and a $1.20 moneymaker. I'll take that. So next I'm going to grab some Head and Shoulders. I'm going to get the clinical, and I wish I would have shown the tag in the store because they are marked $10 and I was charged $13.99 a piece for them. So 2 of these will equal out to $20. We have a 3 off 1 digital coupon that we can use, and then we'll get back a $3 register reward, making them $14, which doesn't seem like a great deal. But it's going to end up being a really good deal, I promise you. You just got to stick with me. And so that's all I'm getting for the spend 30, get back a $10 register reward, and I will be using that $15 register reward because even though they're not rolling, I did see this on Jody's channel where if you use the $15 register reward on a spend 30, get back 10, you will still get your $10 register reward. I'm also going to do the method deal. We've done this deal a few times and it's been a monthly promotion. They are buy 2, get back a $2 register reward, and they're $4 a piece. So 2 of them will equal out to $8. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. We'll get back that $2 register reward, making them $2 a piece. And there is Fetch Rewards offers for method, but mine is spend 15, get back 3. Next, I'm going to do the Dixie plates. They are buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. They're on sale for $6.99. So the 2 of them will equal out to $13.98. We have a 50-cent digital coupon. We'll pay $13.48. We'll get back a $3 register reward, making it $10.48 for both packs. So that's everything that we're grabbing in our last transaction. We'll be using register rewards to lower our out-of-pocket, and I will go over the receipt and everything and the total for this one because this one's going to be a doozy out in the car. All right, guys, so here is the last transaction. We got the Dixie plates, we got the method, we got the Olay scrubs, we got the Reese's candy, and we got the Head and Shoulders that did not ring up at $10 a piece. So I will go back in and get a refund for that because, yeah, they are marked at $10 on the shelf. There are my 2 register rewards. There's my 7 off 2 Olay, my $3 off Head and Shoulders, and my 50-cent coupon. What you don't see is my $2 coupon, and I'll do a Walgreens chat for that. It's online, so I'm not sure what happened. So up here is my $2 IVC coupons for the Olay. And so that makes my total, not including the register rewards, $49.48. So I got back $25.69 in Walgreens cash. $15 for spending $60, and my $60 total does include $10 for the price of the Head and Shoulders. $7 for spending $25, and then $3 for spending $20 in hair care. So here are my register rewards. So I did get the $10 register reward for the P&G products, $3 for the Head and Shoulders, and I'm going to try to do this without being one-handed, $2 for the Method, and then the last one is $3 for Georgia Pacific, which is the Dixie. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards and got back $5.20. I'll also submit my receipt for the P&G Brand Saver rebate for spending $50 because I got the Head and Shoulders, and that is included, so that put me up over the mark. So I'll get back that $15. If you don't do that and you have everything else that I can do, your total is going to be, I think, just like 79 cents for everything. But then if you can submit to the P&G rebate, you'll get back $15 cash. So that will make this free and a $14.41 moneymaker, guys. All right, guys, so we're back in from Walgreens, and it was a great day. Now, there's a couple of downsides to today. It was that I did have to put out some cash, but I did get back some cash because of that being overcharged for the Head and Shoulders. So I did take back that Head and Shoulders. Well, I didn't take it back. I kept the Head and Shoulders, but I went and got the difference. I went and got the difference for being overcharged, $3.99 per bottle. But other than that, I'm just, messing up on that Shea Moisture made me go back and kind of do some reconfiguring, and it was a much better deal. So I'm super happy about all that. And yes, I spent a little bit more out of pocket, a lot more out of pocket than I typically would. But I'm getting a good amount back as well. So we'll go from there. And let's see here. So the only real downside of this P&G promotion is that these register rewards, they're typically good for 3 or 4 days. It's only good for a day. It expires tomorrow. So I will be using it tomorrow. I don't know what I'll be using it for, but maybe the more that I scroll around on Instagram or what have you, I'll figure something out. I did not take back the Shea Moisture. I didn't feel right about that for getting the register reward and then using the register reward and then taking it back. I didn't feel right about doing that, so I didn't take that back. But for the 2 transactions that I did with the P&G promotions and the other deals in there, so my one transaction was $17.17. My other transaction was flipping $14.41 moneymaker. So for those 2 transactions, my total was $2.76. $2.76 flipping cents, under $3. And I got that L'Oreal moisturizer, which I'm going to be doing a coupons empties video that I haven't done in a very long time, but I want to share some kind of like mini reviews of the products that we use in couponing videos or get in couponing. And I used up one whole jug or jar of the L'Oreal Midnight Moisturizer, and I want it again. I want more. That stuff was amazing. Luxurious feeling stuff. So I can't believe I got that. So anyways, that is everything I have for you today, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. I hope you get some amazing deals, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.